So I'm facing a problem on my PC. As you can see, the snipping tool is not working. It's supposed to work like that. So I have installed the app again, so it's working, but not with the button, and the search box is also not working. So I'm just going to reset the PC. So we'll see if that resolves the problem. So first we'll reset the PC by keeping all the datas. So this will take some time. So just sharing with you guys, so in case if you guys face the same problem, you don't have to, you can have the solution. So this is ready to reset the PC. As you can see, change setting back to the default, reinstall Windows, remove all the apps. Okay, so we're just going to reset it. So we'll just wait till it get restarted. Let's see the timing. This runs on Ryzen 3 3rd generation. It has around 12 GB of RAM. So the speed is good, I can see. It's been about a minute. As it is resetting on 34%. So we just need to wait for some time. Let's see how long it takes. Time is now 11:47. It's been around 1 or 2 minutes. We have just started. And as we are doing it with keeping our old data, so nothing should be deleted. As you can see, it's still downloading. Let's just see how long it takes. So after the automatic restart, the PC is resetting at 33%. It is right now. So let it just go 100%, then we'll see. However, when I bought this PC, it was on Windows 10. So I think it will go back to Windows 10, then it will take update on Windows 11. So let's see what's happened and it's really solving the problem or not. So just wait for it to reset. So we have successfully restored. So pin is required, so I'm going to quickly put the pin. It is restarting. As you can see, it is setting up the Windows once again. It will take some time, so it's better to put the charger on. So it got restored, as I can see, and it is in the Windows 11. Now we'll need to check whether the problem has been resolved or not. Okay, the problem I can see has been resolved. So if I type in here anything, now it's showing. So okay, and we'll also check the button, snipping tool button. Yes, it's also working. So yes, that is the ultimate solution. You need to restore the window, reset the PC. So that's about it, guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and do comment. If you think there is an area of improvement, please do let me know. Your support matters a lot. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving your valuable time. Have a good day and please support me. Thank you.